And are you ready for the holidays? It's that time of year again, those few short weeks where everyone's frantically trying to find the perfect gifts. But what if I told you that the way people shop is changing? The holiday shopping season isn't just a mad dash anymore, it's a marathon. So if you're a business owner, thinking about the holidays as just a few big sales days is like leaving money on the table. You need to think bigger and longer term. The first type of holiday shopper is the deliberate shopper. These individuals are meticulous and organized, ensuring they have everything planned out well in advance. These are the planners, the ones who have their list and they're checking it twice. They gather their family, sit around the table and meticulously plan every detail of their holiday shopping. They're looking for inspiration, doing their research, reading reviews and making purchase decisions well ahead of the big sales days. They compare products, read reviews and ensure they are making the best choices. Huge chunk of purchases are actually researched and even bought way before November and December. These early birds often start their shopping as early as October. If you want to capture these deliberate shoppers, your marketing needs to start early too. Plan your campaigns, roll out advertisements, and ensure your products are visible well before the holiday rush. Use platforms like YouTube to inspire them with gift ideas and create engaging content that showcases your products. Highlight the unique features and benefits to capture their attention and make your products stand out. Now let's talk about the deal-seeking shopper. These individuals are always on the hunt for the best bargains and discounts. These are the bargain hunters, the ones who are always on the lookout for a steal. They thrive on finding the best deals and saving money. They live for the thrill of the hunt and know that the holiday period is like the Super Bowl of savings. During this time, they are more active than ever. These deal-seeking shoppers aren't just looking for the lowest price, they're also looking for value. They compare prices, read reviews, and seek out the best overall deals, offer them exclusive deals, early access to sales, and personalized recommendations. These perks make them feel valued and appreciated, provide them with all of the information they need to make an informed decision like product reviews and shipping options. This transparency builds trust and encourages repeat business. Chapter 3. The Determined Shopper. As we move closer to the holidays, we encounter the determined shopper. These individuals are on a mission, navigating through crowded stores and bustling markets. These are the ones who, despite their best intentions, might have procrastinated a bit. They now find themselves with a long list and very little time. They're now feeling the pressure to get their shopping done, and they need to do it fast. Every minute counts as they race against the clock. Many determined shoppers are willing to spend a little extra to get exactly what they want. They prioritize quality and convenience over cost. Use tools like Google's Performance Max campaigns and local inventory ads to target these shoppers with highly relevant ads. These tools can help you reach them at the right moment. Highlight things like expedited shipping options, in-store pickup availability, and extended holiday hours. These features can make a significant difference for the determined shopper. Chapter 4. The Devoted Shopper. Finally, we have the devoted shopper. Once the peak shopping period is over, these shoppers are still thinking about your brand. They're your loyal customers, the ones who love your brand and keep coming back for more. Offer them exclusive discounts, early access to new products, and personalized recommendations based on their past purchases. Every holiday connection counts. The holiday shopping season isn't just about a few key days. It's about understanding how shoppers cycle through different mindsets and adapting your marketing strategy to meet their needs at every stage. By connecting with them at the right moment with the right message, you'll make every holiday connection count.